fish, come! Morning guys, still early, but I think we should go try some fishing quickly. It's a beautiful, beautiful still morning. We're just gonna see what little lures we can use. Maybe Gracie, maybe you can use this little one.
Other fish, it's still the lure.
Oh yeah, that little rock cod that you caught. I'm trying to find whatever's lightest because Gracie's rod is very small. It's not going to be able to cast a very heavy thing. Okay, Grace is going to try this little one and I'm going to try this little spoon. Okay, it's just Grace and I. I decided he's going to stay behind and wait for the others to wake up and then come down. Man just stung me on the foot. There's a bumblebee here. So I'm guessing I got stung by a bumblebee. It's kind of soft. Feels like a bee sting. Yo, it is a very, very beautiful morning. Not a breath of wind this morning. Swell's picked up a little bit. Yet.
We made it down to the beach.
Just walking to the mouth. We're going to fish there by the mouth.
Which joins with the sea and the river, and we have joins us to make the river. Are we casting now? Okay.
Hoping to catch a little shad. Early morning, good conditions. Let's see. Great cast. I don't know about you, but that spot there, or just a little bit out, looks like a good shad spot. Gracie, come! Got a fish, come! First caught. Can't reel this fish, did you? Can't reel this fish in.
This is great.
Go.
Oh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper, Dad.
It's a little shad.
Ho ho ho.
Little shad. Woohoo! How sick is
Are
that?
we gonna put it back?
First cast.
Daddy, are we gonna?
You hold the rod here. I'll cast one for you. If there's one shad, there should be more shad. Look at that. Little shad.
Are we gonna put it back?
Now we're here for breakfast. Oh, the water's so warm.
Oh, Dad, I think I
Okay, reel. Keep it going nice and fast now because you're going through the rocks. Yeah, we're trying to find a spot that Gracie can pass to. That zone there where I got that little shad is it's a little bit of a long cast. Okay, now cast into that calm water. Nice. Good one. Nice. Well, we got one shad, but I don't have a swivel on my little spoon and it's spinning. And I already got one little bird's nest knot that I have to undo. So I don't want to cast again because I know it's going to bunch up. So I think I must run back and get a swivel and maybe see if Eli wants to come down. And this water it's gorgeous and it's so warm as well. We're gonna run up, go get a swivel, and then also bring our dive gear and do a little drift dive down with this clean water that's pushing in. See what we can see. Well, let's go up and get our dive gear, and then we can see where the fish are with our dive gear, with our masks on, then cast to them and fish.
Big fish. Oh, I want to. Look. Yo.
Got him. Got some breakfast.
Oh, and why did you? It's a fishy.
Breakfast.
That's for timing.
Breakfast time.
Literally.
It's very salty. That is
Yeah,
salty.
yeah. What's your favorite thing to do when you catch a fish? Touch his eye. Yeah, check his little teeth. See his little teeth? Feel them?
Dad, I can.
Got the rest of the crew and we are heading back down. That was a very quick turnaround. It literally took us 1 minute.
Well, that's because 8 was ready.
8 was really nice. What a morning! Look at it. Back on the beach. Our chickens following, yes. I'll be on camera duty while they go for a quick snorkel. Yo, this water is crystal clean. There, go, run.
That's a little like Sergeant Bakery type vibe.
Oh, that's a beautiful shell. Okay, go.
Look there, guys. Can you see them? Can you see? He's so cute. There's more here.
On 2. Nice, Bricky. Good jump. The sea is so flat again today. It's incredible. It's the most crazy. There's a kingfisher. It's down there. It wasn't zoomed in. I don't know if you can see him. What did you see, Grace? Is the water clean? I'm gonna quickly go have a look, see what I can see.
We think Daddy cut his foot open because he keeps swimming with it out the water. Did you cut your foot?
No, I've got a flapping blister.
Oh, I could tell something was wrong with it. See anything?
Yeah, I saw some like pretty big garfish out there.
Oh.
Lots of shoals of mullets, little blacktails. us. They'll keep running away.
They won't. Look, they're all walking away. The babies. Oh. They're too light. That one was heavy enough.
Gotta get back to the other side. Our bags are down there.
Hey, I've got these two, you've got those two.
Come. Come, Eli.
Eli, you can go by yourself. He has a life jacket.
Let's go. You okay there, Grace?
Yeah.
Going across this beautiful river with this super clean water. Might get a little bit deeper here. You good?
Yeah.
The water's not really flowing. I think the tide is turning. Oh, you got this. Whoa, this is a beautiful stuff.
Daddy just has to be good at everything, hey? What's it feel like to just excel in all areas of your life?
There, show mommy your under.
Good job.
You can do a nice under. Look at mommy. 1, 2, 3, under. 1, 2, 3, under. Done. What a spot. What do you think of this spot, eh?
Yeah,
So nice. This water is so clean and warm.
Here.
Living like a king here.
Do you want an apple?
So we have been trying to streamline our packing for trips like this because we always ended up packing way too much stuff. We kind of streamlined the whole thing. So now we just bring a spade, a bucket and a watering can for each of them to play with when we're at the beach. Whereas before we would bring their cars and their this and their that to play at the beach.
We've got like a box of novelty kind of indoor toys and play with.
Drawing stuff.
Yeah, lots of drawing stuff, like busy books.
In water, so when we went away to Mtentu, we took 2 25 litres. We can also get away with a lot less water, which is cool. Clothing, drastically dropped down on clothing because you hardly use anything. When you're at the beach like this, two cozies, and you wear the one, it gets wet, and then you put the other one. The kids' clothing we've cut down so much, so
And we only
they
bring
all wear.
baggies for them if we can.
Yeah, they wear baggies, boardies. Well, we always used to take way too much food. Now we just bring like bare minimum. Hope that you catch fish.
We do bring quite a lot of snacks because
Snacks are good. Keep cutting down every time to see how little you can take and get away with. And it makes packing so much easier. And therefore, because packing is easier, it's easier to then get ready to go away. So you're more excited to go away because it's not the hack of packing a whole huge thing. And then unpacking again is also even worse than
That's
packing.
my worst part. I think we haven't streamlined is our medicines though. So if you like still take them because if anything happens.
Getting hot again. It's time for another swim. You go for another swim, guys? You're not quite hot enough yet. I'm getting a bit cheesy. Go, Eli, super bomb.
Are you gonna run deep and jump?
That's good.
Daddy, the way I learned how to do super bomb is from the word super bomb. Super bomb. And that's how you learn how to do a super bomb.
Hope's just started swimming without a floaty for the first time. Go Hope, show us. That's it.
Going to swim in the Mzamba River. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mnyameni.
Go. I mean, in Mnyameni River.
Go, baby. Well done, Daddy. Back to Daddy. Good. Super bum, Jojo.
Hold your breath.
Well done, my darling.
Okay, we are heading back up to the spot. Go have some breakfast. Shad for breakfast. We got to start packing up and get ready to head back home. Oh, we back. We made it. Go back at the cottage. Time to cook some breakfast. Thank you, fried. Thank you, fried. Fried. Every time. Buttery goodness.
Bluey is the soundtrack to our lives. Catching shad by the dozen.
Catch and cook. Can I use your lemons that you...
Just get a little rosemary to add to our fish.
Some of this on here.
On the inside. Shit.
Do you think I'd be ready to eat the fish?
Yeah.
Yay! He's ready for breakfast. There we go. Look at that. Gracie and Dad went fishing early this morning.
Dad, I'm going to
We
eat
got
the
us
tail.
some, you can eat whatever you want. You can eat the eye, the meat is here the best.
Look, it's just tail.
Some lemon on here.
Daddy will give you a little piece, Judah.
Squeeze some lemon on.
Squeeze some lemon.
Pull a little sticky off there.
Oh, look at his tail. Monica.
So the new favorite is shad chip sandwich.
Oh my. Hey, Dad. Me up. Try one more. Dad, can I have another chip burger?
Yeah, here we go, chip burger.
That's a good combo, hey Jaja.
Did really well. I was skeptical as to whether they were going to have some or not.
No.
Have you had a fun holiday?
Yeah.
That's good. So glad. It's such a beautiful day.
Now we're heading home.
Now we're going to head home. We're going to start packing. Get back to reality. So we didn't use any of the water from the 25 litre.
Okay, packing's done. Quick and painless and in the shade.
Not my dishes. Okay, we're just waiting for Mom and Eli, and then we are gonna hit the road.
Say bye bye, Mnyameni. Yeah, you good?
Oh, we're driving on Mars. Ocean behind us there.
That's palm.
Putting out the electric gate remote.
They know cows now.
We are on the top of Mnyameni Falls again. At the top of the right on the edge of the gorge. Some garlic bread, some ribs, some rashers.
Mom,
Take that. That's less than ideal. The whole hillside.
There are ducks swimming in the middle of the road. Oh, sorry, these are geese swimming in the road. You're enjoying the bottom. Oh, that's rude.
you be quiet. You be quiet.
Like this. It's a moral indictment when God uses the terminology.
So it's Sunday, and we just put a sermon on because it's obviously a mission church. But the boys are sleeping there. Mommy says it's too hot to fall asleep, but normally if there's a servant on, she falls asleep.
No, it's through reason. That's how we know through. Alright? Set the scene now. Laodicea, and for all who have not seen me face to face.
Okay, we are almost home. We made it. The drive went super quick. So just over 2 hours really. Like 2 hours, 15 minutes or so. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, tune in next time for our next adventure. So bye everyone.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
nailed it.